The following is a video of a repair we did for a Rock-OLA 48350-1A jukebox amplifier. This unit came in very scratchy from an original jukebox. We performed a complete rebuild and then fully tested the output of both channels of the amplifier from 100 Hz to 15 kHz with no problems. This test was performed using a signal generator with a load resistor and using a scope to verify there was no distortion from the amplifier. At ERD, we perform many repairs on various items, not only industrial electronics, and we enjoy getting to work on these unique items from time to time.